Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in PowerPoint. So what you're gonna do first is subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start. So what you're gonna do first is insert a blank slide, which is completely blank, and insert a picture in it from your downloads, and you can also use that from stock if you want. So there you go. I have inserted a picture. Be sure to use a higher resolution picture for a better quality template. The next thing you're gonna do is go to shapes. You're gonna insert a rounded corner rectangle, make it fully rounder. You're gonna place it out of the template that only half of the part of it shows into the template. Next, change its color to white and remove its outline. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D. Select both of them and remove their outlines. And your place like that duplicated circle onto the first one. And then you're gonna increase its size. Go to format shape. You're gonna increase the transparency of this duplicated rounded cornered rectangle. Close the format shape panel. Send this transparency shape back of the first shape. You're gonna duplicate them by by selecting them first and pressing Control plus D, and then you're gonna increase the sizes as I have shown, something like this. The next thing I'm gonna do is go to my previously made template, and from here I'm gonna copy and paste the text because I don't have really much time to make the text, and you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. You can also check out my Patreon to get more amazing stuff and free content like this, and it's completely for free. You can also check out my Pinterest account from the link in the description below. So the next thing you're gonna do is go to shapes and insert a rectangle that covers the outside part of the shape. You're gonna first select the shape and then the rectangle, and you're gonna go to merge and subtract them. The next thing you're going to do is go to Insert tab, Shapes, and insert another rectangle onto the other remaining part of the template of the shape that is out of the template. First of all, you're going to select the shape and then the rectangle, go to Merge, and you're going to click Subtract. Insert another rectangle and do the same for this one as well. You're gonna select the inner shape and then the rectangle, and then you're gonna go to merge shapes and you're gonna select subtract. Be sure to first select the shape that is inside the template and then the rectangle, or else the options will go wrong and you will subtract the wrong shape. And there you go. The next thing you're gonna do is select this rounded corner rectangle and you're gonna subtract it along with the rectangle. And this is how this template looks. And if you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also get more amazing videos from my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching this video. Meet you in another video with more amazing stuff.